You do not need to remove anything other than the wheels to install the studs. We are installing the new Rennline floating rotors and wanted to give everything a good cleaning. The one thing you need to do is make sure there is no corrosion or rust in the stud seating area of the flange indicated by the red arrow. You can install the studs with the wheel on or off. The studs clear the rotor hats. The studs do not need to be removed to remove the rotors or service the parking brake. The stud has a 15 mm threaded area that seats in the flange indicated by the red arrow. There is an 8 mm of unthreaded shoulder for the brake rotor, blue arrow, and then 35 mm, 45 mm, or 60 mm of threaded stud for the shoulder, depending on the kit you order. If desired, you may apply Loctite 272 to the threads prior to installing the studs in the hub, and only the section that goes in the hub. Any lesser Loctite will melt and can act as a lubricant and cause the loss of torque. Thread the short end of the stud into the hub and tighten by hand as far as possible. Then using a torque wrench and your 5 mm Allen, tighten to 30 foot-pounds. We have installed the studs along with the Rennline floating rotors. Rennline also offers full floating rotors. These stud upgrades will work with stock rotors as well. The use of studs eliminates the need for a wheel hanger. The nuts are available in Ball R14 for Porsche OEM wheels in both black and titanium finish. You can also get conical nuts in silver only for aftermarket wheels. Please confirm the type of wheel you have before ordering or installing. It is extremely important that the correct seat nuts are used with your wheels. If there is any doubt, contact the wheel manufacturer to determine which seats your wheels have. Long studs should be torqued to 30 foot-pounds. Nuts should be torqued to 96 foot-pounds at all times. Retorquing the wheels after 50 miles to ensure the setting. If lug nuts or lug studs are improperly torqued, there will be a cyclical load on the stud, which will cause fatigue and potential failure. Never torque the studs while hot. Wheel studs used in competition are considered a wear item and should be replaced in the following intervals. Street DE car with less than 10 events a year, replace every 2 years. A race car or DE car with over 10 events a year, replace every year. Pro racing level, twice a year. Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and check out another video in this series.